I just completed the switch box for the 1963 Impala. 2 servos, 1 hopping motor. That's the inside of the switch box. I put tape on there so that the terminals don't hit the battery and cut a hole in the battery. So I cover that up. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the other one. 2 holes, the main harness, battery attachment, and the battery come out through there. 3 switches. I'm using a 4.8 battery, and the battery comes with its own charger. So on the charger it will say 4.8 right there, 4.8. But yeah, one more to go. I already tested the switch box and it works, and I ordered some more of these on Amazon. I think I got the 20 pack. 3 mil on the servo, 2.1 millimeter on the motor shaft. It's 2 millimeters, but I get them at 2.1 millimeter for this Dura collar.